Tech Wars, IT sector ideas for startups to monetize AI. Here are some business ideas for products and services that startups can provide to monetize AI in the IT sector. Startups can offer comprehensive IT support and management solutions to businesses, handling their infrastructure, networks, security, and software needs. AI-powered IT help desk solutions that utilize chatbots and virtual assistants to provide instant and personalized support to users. Predictive maintenance systems leveraging AI algorithms to monitor IT infrastructure and proactively detect and address potential issues before they cause downtime. AI-based network security solutions that continuously analyze network traffic, detect anomalies, and mitigate cybersecurity threats in real time. Automated data backup and recovery platforms using AI to streamline the process, ensure data integrity, and enable quick restoration in case of data loss. AI-driven IT asset management tools that optimize asset utilization, track inventory, and provide insights for effective resource allocation. Intelligent IT ticketing systems that employ natural language processing and machine learning to automate ticket categorization, routing, and resolution. AI-powered data analytics platforms that extract valuable insights from IT operations data, enabling businesses to make data-driven decisions for optimization. Virtual IT assistants that leverage AI to provide intelligent recommendations, perform routine tasks, and enhance productivity for IT professionals. AI-enabled anomaly detection systems that monitor system performance and behavior, promptly identifying deviations and potential issues for proactive resolution. AI-driven IT service management platforms that automate service delivery, incident management, and change management processes, improving efficiency and customer satisfaction. Please click the subscribe button below if you enjoyed this video. You can take the full AI course at techwars.ai.